तो बच के रही नी तू हुणे हुणे होई मुटियार मुंडिया तो बच के रही नी तू हुणे हुणे होई मुटियार मुंडिया तो बच के रही तेरा की कसूर जन शिले नैन हो गए सिख के अदामा शिर मिले नैन हो गए तेरा की कसूर जन शिले नैन हो गए सिख के अदामा शिर मिले नैन हो गए सांभ के रखनी है जोब निपटारी सांभ के रखनी है जोब निपटारी मुड़ मुड़ के नहीं आनी है बहार मुंडिया तो बच के रही नी तू हुणे हुणे होई मुटियार मुंडिया तो बच के रही नी तू हुणे हुणे होई मुटियार मुंडिया तो बच के रही चढ़दी जवानी तेरा रूप ठाठा मारदा पतला जलक ना हुनारा भी सहारदा चढ़दी जवानी तेरा रूप ठाठा मारदा पतला जलक ना हुनारा भी सहारदा गोरा गोरा रंग युत्तो मेरी गांजी तोर गोरा गोरा रंग युत्तो मेरी गांजी तोर नहीं तेरे जई सोनी कोई नार मुंडिया तो बच के रही नी तू हुणे हुणे होई मुटियार मुंडिया तो बच के रही नी तू हुणे हुणे होई मुटियार मुंडिया तो बच के रही मुंडिया दे बुल्लों ते तेरियां कहानियां चन्नी नी तखने दियां गलियां बिछानियां चोपरां दे बुल्लों ते तेरियां कहानियां चन्नी नी तखने दियां गलियां बिछानियां जंजुआ तो होया तेरे रूप दा दीवाना जंजुआ तो होया तेरे रूप दा दीवाना चल सकिया न हुस्न दबार मुंडिया तो बच के रही नी तू हुणे हुणे होई मुटियार मुंडिया तो बच के रही नी तू हुणे हुणे होई मुटियार मुंडिया तो बच के रही
Masterminds. We gon' get this forever. You know whenever we link up, my nigga, they think this shit come from outer space or something. Nigga, let's get this money, nigga. Masterminds. ROC, double MG. Jay, I got it. 4 stacks for the hills, I'm a bitch feet. Car seat still smelling like 10 keys. Tell a plug that I'm looking for an increase. Wingstop, fat boy, need a 10-piece. Say a nigga name in the car star. Nigga switching lane to lane like Walmart. Sipping Bordeaux, out in Bordeaux. Hazard lights flashing on the Bordeaux. Switch the Benzo for the Enzo. Back to the Benzo when the end's low. Switch your old bitch from a new bitch. Come a new bitch, something like an info. But the game raw when I came in it. Getting money ever since I came in it. You couldn't stop me if you tried. Motherfucker, cause the devil is alive. Big guns, big whips. Rich nigga talking big shit. Double cup, gold wrist. Double up on that blow, bitch. 2 mil on that I-95. Bow your head cause it's time to pay tithes. Opposition want me dead or alive. Motherfucker, but the devil is alive. The devil is alive. Bitch, I'm the truth. The devil is alive. Bitch, I'm the proof. The devil is alive. The devil is alive. Bitch, I'm alive. The devil is alive. 2 kings on the big screen. Niggas seen the 36 at 16. 100K for the 16. Niggas stick dirty, but his dick clean. My money going on the deep end. Talkin' $500,000 for the weekend. Contract like a nigga play defense. Curry's in the Maybach, bitch, peeking. Now the bitches want a car hop. 6 cribs, 40 cars in the car lot. Dope boys on the gold, nigga. Win gold 6 times for a gold, nigga. Black bottle in the bad bitch. Club all money where the cash is. Dubai, I can do it like a sheik. Top flow, nigga, Virgin Khalid. Big guns, big whips. Rich nigga talking big shit. Double cup, gold wrist. Double up on that blow, bitch. 2 mil on that I-95. Bow your head cause it's time to pay tithes. Opposition want me dead or alive. Motherfucker, but the devil is alive. The devil is alive. Bitch, I'm the truth. The devil is alive. Bitch, I'm the proof. The devil is alive. I got him, Ricky. The devil is alive. Yeah. Bitch, I'm alive. The devil is alive.
It's a true false fiction. It's a true false fiction. It's over ABS. I never fuck with true religion. Am I down with the devil? Come on, roof, come on, missing. Is that Lucifer juice in that 2 cup be sipping that? Do say, baby, welcome to the dark side. Coulda got blacklist for the crack shit. White Jesus in my crock pot. I mixed the shit with some soda. Now black Jesus turned water to wine, and all I had to do was turn the stove up. East Coast, winning that life, nigga, cheat code. Hating is flaking, hit your free throws. The devil try to hit me with the Rico, them black people. Devil want these niggas hate their own kind. Gotta be the Illuminati if a nigga shine. Or it can't be a nigga if a nigga rich. Or it gotta be the devil, that's a nigga shit. You seen what I did to the stop and frisk. Brooklyn on the Barneys like we on the bitch. Get the money to the hood, now we all win. Got that Barney's floor looking like a VIM. Black hoodie, black Scully. Bravado like Movado, boy, I'm that gully. Getting white money, but I'm still black. All these niggas claiming king, but I'm still lack. King Hova, Mansa, Musa. From a lot of devil was a lie, I'm the truth, yeah.
Big guns, big whips. Rich nigga talking big shit. Double cup, gold wrist. Double up on that blow, bitch. 2 mil on that I-95. Bow your head cause it's time to pay tithes. Opposition want me dead or alive. Motherfucker, but the devil is alive. The devil is alive. Bitch, I'm the truth. The devil is alive. Bitch, I'm the proof. The devil is alive. The devil is alive. Bitch, I'm alive. The devil is alive.
Church. Jump.
Yo, what up? This is Big Snoop Dogg. Represent that Poom Jobby. Hey, yo, hit him with this. RDB, DPGC, Akshay, and Snoop D-O-double-G. Oh yeah, sing is king, this is the thing. Do you know what I mean? Follow me, listen to me for a second, check it. Sing is the king, check the records. Maserati, Snoop, D-O-double-G, the life of the party. Lay back, stay back, I'm in the Maybach. This ain't James Brown, but it's the big payback. Watch me zoom by, make it boom by. What up to all the ladies hanging out in Mumbai? cheese make dollars. East, west, masala. Sing is the king, so you all have to follow. I'm trying to stay.
Yeah. Toxic poppy turned profit, probably couldn't find me. I've been with my shaker out in Abu Dhabi. Heard you saw my ex-girl chilling in the Oscars lobby, holding 5 trophies, crying and looking hella sloppy. I've been giving all of my energy to my real ones. If you gon' flip the script on your homie, it's fuck a day one. Resman told me, why is you wallow and pick your face up? It's life reps, all preparation for when your day come. When people see you growing, surpassing what they imagine, they quick to call you a fraud, attempting to steal your magic. I told her I'm moving on. Arguing every day, you don't trust me and you ain't wrong. But baby, the love is gone. Like we should start this book club. Reading really been helping me. I'm learning to communicate healthily. This is well for me. But you ain't trying to hear it, you hurting it. Yeah, I get it, but it's time for me to get up and get to where I am headed. I got free time, I got so much free time, I'm never gone. Rewind, I left your ex behind, I catch my cat. I'm gone, I let my seat recline, I'm on my way back home, I'm throwing up peace signs. I really gotta thank you for protecting me for all these years, but I had to grow up and tell you let me be, let me feel, let me know love. My nigga, let me heal, cause you been keeping me from my best days. I know that you mean well, but this isn't back then. These demons are imaginary, bro, that was back then. It's time to move on, it's time to start a new song. You always putting out some fire, but your water too strong. Used to be a firefighter, now I water my lawn and keep the grass cut, tossing every snake to the birds. Fuck what you heard, every pothole I swerve, actions follow my words. All my people loyal, so loyal what they deserve. And I know that you here to make sure that I'm never hurt, but pain is unavoidable, that's just something I learned. And if you never let in that pain, you never learn how to love. You don't experience joy. It's like, how long can I run? It's like, how long can I live? It sucks to hold on to my love when I got so much to give. I always gave you the will, but now it's get out the whip and get your ass in the back. I'm letting love run the ship so you can sit and relax. And if I need you, I call. At least I know where you at. You got me all the way here, I'm hella grateful for that. We made it farther than most, got me through all of my lows. But fear it's time that you rest. Just know I love you to death.
You are crazy, you are crazy, you are crazy, you are crazy.
Fuck them other bitches who don't rock.
Baby, you summertime fine. I let you get on top, I be the underline. I'm tryna get beside you like the number 9 dime. You fine as hell. I guess I met you for a reason, only time could tell. But well, I'm wondering what type of shit you want it. Do you like the finer things, or you? Can I
here on this Wednesday. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hope everybody's blessed. Hope y'all all had an amazing night. Hope you're having a good morning. Of course, thank you, thank you, thank you.
Could have been anywhere in the world, but you're here with me.
And I really appreciate it. I really, really appreciate it. But let's get into it. We're here on this Wednesday. See what news we have. We had news at 8:15, ADP non-farm employment changes. 10 a.m. we have ISM services PMI. And then 2 o'clock we have FOMC. We've got a meeting at 2. So things could move pretty slow today just because we got news at 2. So we could just be anticipating the news that comes then. As far as ADP non-farm employment change, there really wasn't too much volume this morning, as you can see. Not too much. Everything's been moving pretty regular. I'm assuming we're going to pretty much wait till 2 o'clock to look for a move. I doubt I'll stream it too, but hopefully at 10 we can get a new 4-hour and grab a position. See what happens. We'll see what happens. All right. So this is a lot of red folders. So 10 a.m. hopefully we can get a continuation and we can find some positions. Start with the monthly. Let's get into it. Let's delete all this. We had a very strong bearish day yesterday. It was a great day. Managed to grab over 80 points. Let's go to the monthly. Let's get rid of this. All right. Resistance will be the top of the monthly wick. Support will be the bottom of the monthly wick. Let's check the weekly. Here's the weekly. So far it's Wednesday. We've had 2 days already. We've been bearish. Let's indicate this weekly flip just in case. Because if we do manage to get a lot of good news at 2 o'clock, especially with FOMC, we could end up flipping bullish for the weekly flip. That could be good. So far for the day, we're bullish. Let's indicate the daily flip as well, just in case. All right. So this is pretty good so far. The weekly flip is also the monthly flip. We have 1 week, 1 month so far that we're in. So keep that in mind. Let's check the 4-hour. 4-hour. All right. So this should be a pretty easy day. Looking to the left, we have resistance here. So we'll want a closure above for buys. Let's get rid of this. That was yesterday's trade. Let's get a closure above for buys. Let's also get a closure above here for sells. A closure below here for sells. You know what? We could probably adjust to about here. If we can close below here, we can look for some sells. Let's roll some dope up, get high. Let's go to the hourly. All right, so far for the hour, we are very bullish. We're about to get a new 15-minute candle though, so this last 15 is really going to dictate whether or not we get a closure above or closure below. Hopefully we close above. We'll be in some buys. We have a lot of range to fill going up. This is our no trade zone. So I'm going to try to make it as easy as possible. Anybody can read this. If we get a good closure above, we should be driving up and get that bullish flip. Weekly / monthly. Let's edit this just so people understand. just need a good closure. Good closure. Let's go ahead. Let's set some targets while we're here. Let's assume we could get a closure here. We're gonna have target 1 about right here. Let's delete this. We just got a new 15-minute candle. Again, I'm partial to thinking that we're gonna drive up. So my bias is bullish. Okay. And we gon' be alright. We gon' be alright. We gon' be alright. Sorry about that. Alright, so 15's flipping bullish like I thought. It's looking good. Alright, this is great. This is great. This is great. No nose. So of course, all we're gonna need is a bottom wick for our upcoming 4-hour candle at 10 a.m. We need a bottom wick, and then we will be in some buys. Again, we're gonna be wary just because there's news at 10, so we're not gonna rush it. We're just gonna let price give us what it wants to give us, and we'll follow up accordingly. Excuse me. So this would be target 1, set target 2. 20 points. Let's set it about here. 25 points from target 1. Overall targets. Let's make overall targets the weekly flip. Or at least just a little bit above it. So if we manage to get target 1 about 30 points, target 2 about 50 from entry, and we might be able to get 94, 95 points if we can slap overall targets today. We did very good yesterday, grabbed about 85 points with runners. It was a very fast, very strong trade. It was this candle right here. This candle right here. We broke lows, we had closures below. You look to the left, we mimicked this candle, this bullish candle here, and we just continued driving down. Overall, great analysis, good trade, good position. Had a good day. Guys, give me 1 second. Sorry about that. Took me a minute. Had to go check on a few things. So far, we're getting that closure that we wanted. Getting that closure above. I like this. This is very good. We got less than a minute left. All we're going to need at this point, we're going to need just a bottom wick. Let's get a bottom wick for the hourly / 4 hour. And then we'll have a buy stop placed, all right? Let me start recording. See, you're supposed to remind me. No help.
What bit?
It's supposed to remind me to record.
Oh, to record.
Don't worry. I got me. I got me.
Hey, are you finished? You talking to me on live?
Yeah, ain't nobody here. Nobody give a fuck about me. Ain't nobody on stream.
3 views. Who's viewing you?
Concurrent viewers means people actively watching.
Oh.
Ain't nobody actively watching.
So I can act like a fool?
Yeah, shake that ass. Ooh. All right, that's enough. All right, we have a bottom wick. We have a bottom wick. We are going to have buy stops placed. We also had news. Let's take a look at news. Let's have closures above. BE take partials. Buy stops placed. 13,165 is it. Meaning 13,175 will be our BE point. We should get runnings today, hopefully. Currently not in yet, but we getting close. All right, I'm in an entry, guys. That was quick. I didn't discuss stop loss. We're just gonna make it. We're gonna make it a 20-point stop loss, as usual. 10 points. Move stop loss to BE, and we will be in a risk-free trade. Let's go ahead and set this for target 2. I think target 2 is valid. Currently in a little bit of drawdown. Might not have been enough liquidity that was grabbed. Let's just double check the news just to make sure nothing wonky is about to happen. All right. 51.9. Pretty much same as previous news. So it wasn't too much of a difference than before. All right, so far we are in the negative. We're in some drawdown. But this is why you set a good enough stop loss. You don't over leverage, over trade your account. All right, but just be careful. 10 points, take your 10 points. Move your stop loss to BE, all right? Let's get rid of all this other shit. Let's get rid of this. Don't need this. We got the closure above. We got target 2, target 1. Let's go. So from entry to target 2 would be about 40 points. Let's see if we could get some runners today. Let's see. Overall, you should be 13,177, 67, 57. Okay. Overall, you should be you should have some confidence. Have some confidence in your trade. Understand that you're not over risking, over leveraging. Understand that your stop loss is not gonna lose your account if you hit it. It's just gonna be a loss for the day. And let's just hope that we can continue driving up. We got the good closure that we wanted. Let's see if we can break some highs. Could just be coming down to create a steeper bottom wick, which is very possible. But we have a stop loss of, like I said, 20 points. So 20 points should be able to hold this in. Let's see what the previous wick looked like. This is about a 20-point wick. To play it safe, I might adjust. Could end up adjusting just because I don't want to get taken out the trade and then we flip bullish, that'll really piss me off. Let's have a stop loss of about 25 points. Let's make it a 25-point stop loss. All right, 57, 4. Man, that was pretty close. We almost could have got a loss. I'm glad I adjusted it. Now let's just see if we hit it. Let's see. This is it's still very close to hitting it. It's still valid to hit stop loss. All right. Don't be scared. A loss is a loss. It's part of trading. 13-1. Okay. All right. Let's hope we can flip bullish and we'll drive. Let's hope for the best. I just want to smoke, drink, some reggae. Alright, things aren't looking too good for us today. Let's just hope, let's hope that this is the liquidity grab, very steep liquidity grab, and then a bullish flip, Can we hang on? Can we hang on? Getting mighty closer to stop loss. If we take this L, this would be our 4th loss of the year, unfortunately. We took all our losses in April. Still close. Can we manage to stay in? I have to add yesterday's W in here, so that's the only thing that's missing. 128. All right, looks like we're about to hit stop loss. There we go. All right, so stop loss was hit, unfortunately. Damn. So we'll have to go back. I gotta go back, double, triple check that analysis. Why is it that I assumed we were gonna keep driving up? Why didn't we keep driving up? Where could I have found a better entry or decided not to get in the position to begin with? Based on the 15, we were at the 200 SMA. That shouldn't have affected us too much due to the fact that this was a 4-hour trade. News was decent, so we did break the high, so I assumed we would continue driving up. Unfortunately, we were wrong, but such is life. You win some, you lose some. So far for the week, we 8, 27, 28. Okay. All right, so we did take an L today, unfortunately. But I honestly do still think that the trade is valid. But keep in mind, we do still have FOMC at 2 o'clock. So there will be a lot of volume then. Okay, so definitely look out for that. Between gold, between NAS, there's gonna be a lot of volume. So look out. We're gonna be discussing interest rates, the banks' positions, how banks feel about the market, and so on and so forth. So just keep that in mind. If you guys took an L with me this morning, just come back tomorrow. We're gonna be back on the market again, and we will find some new positions. It's all good. One trade shouldn't make you, one trade shouldn't break you. Everybody should really understand that. If you're a trader, shouldn't make you, shouldn't break you. You should trust your analysis, trust your trade, understand that you're not over leveraging or over risking your account to the point where you're gonna lose all your capital just with one trade. That shouldn't be how you trade. But it is what it is. It is what it is. Unfortunately, we're coming back into that range, right? This is the 4 hour already. Ashes to ashes, dust to dust. Bang. I think what happened, and this could have been my mistake. No, it is my mistake. I had my buy stop a bit too close. My buy stop was about right here. I should have had it at the break of the high. That way I wouldn't have gotten entry before we took that loss. All right, it's all good though. It's all good though. All good though. Still just gonna watch the charts. See what happens. All right, we got about 3 more minutes. We're gonna get a new 4-hour candle. A new 15. Excuse me. If we get back into this range again, don't forget this is the no trade zone. So that will be our 1L for the day. Our one position for the day. All right. And if we don't get another one, we don't get another one. We'll probably try to look for another one at 2 o'clock. Okay. So give me 1 second. I'll be right back.